Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best car DSP amplifiers that can transform your driving experience by delivering superior sound quality. If you're an audiophile or just looking to enhance your car audio system, this video is for you. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Podofo RY-125AB car DSP amplifier. The Podofo RY-125AB car DSP amplifier promises to enhance your car audio experience with improved sound quality and versatile EQ adjustments. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of this amplifier to help you decide if it meets your needs. Pros. A. Enhanced sound quality. The Podofo RY-125AB amplifier is designed to provide sound quality that surpasses the original car stereo system. With low distortion and a maximum power output of 80 W4, it delivers clear, powerful sound that enhances your music listening experience. Compatible with most Android car radios. This amplifier is compatible with most Android system car radios, making it easy to install without the need to break existing lines. This convenience ensures a straightforward upgrade to your car's audio system. Hi-Fi level chip for high-quality audio. Equipped with a Hi-Fi level chip, the amplifier ensures clear and pleasant high-quality music reproduction. This feature is essential for audiophiles and music enthusiasts who prioritize fidelity in their car audio setup. Lightweight aluminum casing. The amplifier features a lightweight aluminum casing that not only enhances durability but also provides effective heat dissipation. This design helps in maintaining optimal performance over extended periods of use, ensuring reliability. EQ sound effects adjustment. Users can adjust the EQ sound effects to customize their audio experience according to different music genres such as pop, rock, or classical. This flexibility allows for personalized sound tuning to match individual preferences. Delicate metal touch. The amplifier's metal construction not only aids in heat dissipation but also provides a premium tactile experience with its delicate touch and robust build quality. Cons. 1. Lack of wireless connectivity features. The amplifier focuses on enhancing wired audio connections and does not offer wireless connectivity options such as Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. This limitation may affect the convenience of streaming music from mobile devices wirelessly. Limited output power for some audiophiles. Although the amplifier offers substantial power output, some audiophiles may desire higher wattage for particularly demanding audio setups or larger vehicles, which could impact overall sound performance in such scenarios. The Podofo RY-125AB car DSP amplifier stands out for its ability to significantly improve sound quality in car audio systems with its high-quality chip, versatile EQ adjustments, and robust build. It offers enhanced audio fidelity and customization options that cater to various music preferences. However, potential buyers should consider installation compatibility, the absence of wireless connectivity, and the adequacy of power output for their specific requirements. Overall, the Podofo RY-125AB amplifier is a compelling choice for those seeking to upgrade their car's audio system with enhanced sound performance and user-friendly features. Next up, at number 4, we have the Sennuopu DP X10 Plus car DSP amplifier. The Sennuopu DP X10 Plus car DSP amplifier integrates advanced switching amplifier technology with a comprehensive digital signal processor aiming to enhance car audio quality and flexibility. Here's an in-depth analysis of its pros and cons to help you decide if it suits your audio upgrade needs. Pros. ME. Advanced switching amplifier technology. The DP X10 Plus utilizes advanced switching amplifier technology, which helps in minimizing distortion and maximizing efficiency compared to traditional amplifier designs. This results in cleaner and more powerful audio output. Digital signal processor integration. Features an 8-channel DSP with 4 input channels and 4 output channels, allowing for precise audio signal processing. This includes adjusting equalization, time alignment, and crossover settings to optimize sound quality tailored to your vehicle's acoustics. Multiple audio input options. Upports various audio input sources including UDisc playback, USB audio input, and optical input. This versatility ensures compatibility with different media devices and formats, such as WAV, FLAC, MP3, among others. High-quality audio playback. Equipped with a HIFI BT 5.0 player audio scheme, the DP X10 Plus delivers high-resolution audio playback, preserving intricate details and nuances in your music. This is complemented by a wide frequency range 20 Hz 20 kHz for comprehensive sound reproduction. Remote control and app support. Includes an LCD remote control for convenient operation and adjustments. Additionally, DSP settings can be configured using PC software via USB connection or through a dedicated Android app via Bluetooth, offering flexibility in tuning your audio preferences. Compact and integrated design combines multiple audio functionalities, media player, amplifier, and DSP into a compact unit, reducing clutter and simplifying installation. This integration enhances ease of use while optimizing space within your vehicle. Cons: limited power output. While suitable for most standard car audio setups with 50 watts RMS per channel at 4 ohms, users with larger vehicles or higher power requirements may find the output insufficient for their needs without additional external amplifiers. The Sennuopu DP X10 Plus Car DSP amplifier offers a comprehensive solution for enhancing car audio quality through advanced switching amplifier technology and integrated DSP capabilities. It excels in delivering high-resolution audio playback, versatile connectivity options, and user-friendly controls via remote and mobile app. However, potential buyers should consider the complexity of setup, compatibility requirements, and power output limitations based on their specific vehicle and audio preferences. Overall, the DP X10 Plus is ideal for audiophiles and enthusiasts seeking to elevate their in-car listening experience with sophisticated audio processing and customization options. Our number 3 spot goes to the Ainavi P48E Car DSP amplifier. The Ainavi P48E Car DSP amplifier integrates advanced equalizer capabilities with a powerful amplifier chip, promising to elevate your car audio experience. Here's an in-depth analysis of its pros and cons to help you determine if it's the right choice for enhancing your vehicle's sound system. Pros: Camo, integrated amplifier and equalizer. The P48E features a built-in TDA7850 amplifier chip, capable of delivering peak powers of 450 watts with a high signal-to-noise ratio and low total harmonic distortion. This integration enhances audio quality while simplifying installation. Versatile tuning options. Offers 3 tuning methods: app control, manual knob adjustments, and PC software tuning. This flexibility caters to both novice users and professional tuners, allowing precise customization of audio settings according to personal preferences. 31-band equalizer control. Equipped with a 31-band equalizer, the P48E enables fine adjustment of audio frequencies ranging from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. This audiophile-grade EQ control allows for precise tweaking of treble, mid-range, bass, and sub-bass parameters, ensuring optimal sound quality. Multi-channel audio support. Supports up to 10 channels of audio input and output, accommodating high-level and low-level connections. This versatility makes it compatible with various audio setups, including multiple amplifiers or powered subwoofers. Built-in connectivity options. Features built-in Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless music streaming directly from your smartphone, as well as an optical input and USB port for additional connectivity options. These features expand compatibility and allow seamless integration with different audio sources. DSP noise reduction. Utilizes advanced DSP noise reduction technology to significantly reduce background noise and enhance audio purity. This feature ensures a clearer and more immersive listening experience by minimizing unwanted audio artifacts. Cons. Compatibility verification needed. Compatibility with specific car audio systems and configurations should be verified before purchase to ensure seamless integration and optimal performance. Certain vehicle models or audio setups may require additional adapters or adjustments. Potential overkill for basic needs. For users seeking simple audio enhancements without requiring extensive EQ adjustments or multi-channel support, the P48E's robust feature set and higher price point may be considered excessive. The Ainavi P48E Car DSP amplifier stands out as a versatile solution for enhancing car audio with its integrated amplifier, advanced equalizer capabilities, and extensive connectivity options. It appeals to audiophiles and enthusiasts seeking precise audio tuning and high-fidelity sound reproduction in their vehicles. However, potential buyers should consider the complexity of setup, compatibility requirements, and the need for extensive EQ customization relative to their specific audio enhancement goals. Overall, the P48E offers substantial value for improving car stereo performance and achieving optimal sound quality on the road. In second place, we have the Puzu PZ-C7 Car DSP amplifier. The Puzu PZ-C7 Car DSP amplifier aims to revolutionize car audio systems with advanced tuning capabilities and seamless integration. Here's a detailed examination of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right choice for upgrading your vehicle's sound quality. Pros. T. Advanced 15-band EQ system. The PZ-C7 features a sophisticated 15-band EQ with floating-point high-precision tuning, allowing precise adjustment of audio frequencies across a wide spectrum. This ensures optimal sound quality tailored to your preferences. High and low-pass filters. Equipped with high and low-pass filters, the amplifier effectively manages audio frequencies to enhance clarity and prevent distortion. This feature is crucial for achieving balanced sound reproduction and eliminating unwanted noise. Adjustable sound field delay. Allows for spatial editing through adjustable sound field delay, enhancing the perception of sound placement within the vehicle. This creates a more immersive audio experience, especially during long drives. Comprehensive audio controls. Includes gain control, phase control, harmonic function, and limiting function, providing extensive options for fine-tuning audio output. These controls enable precise adjustments to match various music genres and audio preferences. Built-in Bluetooth connectivity. Integrated Bluetooth support enables seamless wireless streaming of lossless music from mobile devices. This feature adds convenience and flexibility, allowing drivers to enjoy high-quality audio without physical connections. 8 storage modes. Offers 8 storage modes for saving customized EQ settings and audio configurations. This feature allows quick access to preferred sound profiles, ensuring consistent audio performance based on different listening environments or music genres. Scuns. Complexity for novice users. The extensive tuning capabilities and technical adjustments may be overwhelming for users unfamiliar with audio equipment and DSP settings. Beginners may require time and effort to fully optimize the amplifier's features. Size and space considerations. Although the PZ-C7 is designed to streamline installations compared to traditional amplifiers, its size and volume may still be a concern for vehicles with limited space. Proper placement and mounting are essential for optimal performance and safety. The Puzu PZ-C7 Car DSP amplifier stands out with its advanced EQ tuning system, comprehensive audio controls, and built-in Bluetooth connectivity, making it a compelling choice for enhancing car audio quality. It addresses common issues such as poor factory sound quality and inadequate power from car radios, providing solutions through precise audio adjustments and wireless music streaming capabilities. However, potential buyers should consider the complexity of setup and integration, as well as space constraints and power requirements, to ensure compatibility and optimal performance in their vehicles. Overall, the PZ-C7 offers substantial features for audiophiles and enthusiasts looking to elevate their in-car audio experience with sophisticated tuning capabilities and modern connectivity options. Topping our list at number 1 is the Sennuopu HIFI-X12 Car DSP amplifier. The Sennuopu HIFI-X12 Car DSP amplifier combines advanced audio processing capabilities with high-fidelity audio playback options, aiming to enhance the in-car audio experience significantly. Here's a detailed analysis of its pros and cons to help you evaluate its suitability for your vehicle. Pros. Advanced switching amplifier technology. Equipped with an 8-channel power amplifier utilizing advanced switching amplifier technology, the HIFI-X12 corrects errors in the switching circuit in real time. This technology enhances dynamic range and efficiency while minimizing distortion, resulting in clearer and more powerful audio output. 10-channel digital signal processor. Featuring 2 dual-core high-end, high-res audio processing chips, the HIFI-X12 boasts impressive computing power up to 456 MHz. This DSP capability allows for precise audio tuning, improving instrument appeal and sound separation to achieve a natural and immersive audio experience. Bluetooth audio and connectivity utilizes CSR 8675 in Hawaii-Fi audio solution for Bluetooth connectivity, supporting up to 24-bit 48K audio with a bitrate of 576 kbit. This ensures high-quality wireless audio transmission with minimal latency and enhanced sound fidelity, suitable for streaming music from compatible devices. Versatile input options. Includes UDisc playback, USB audio input, and optical input. The optical input provides electrical isolation, preventing digital noise transmission through the ground wire. These inputs expand multimedia playback capabilities and support various audio sources for comprehensive entertainment options. Cons. Compatibility with vehicle systems. Ensuring compatibility with existing car audio systems and components is essential to maximize the HIFI-X12's performance. Some vehicles may require additional adapters or modifications to integrate the amplifier seamlessly and achieve optimal audio quality. Space and size constraints. While designed to optimize space compared to traditional amplifiers, the physical dimensions of the HIFI-X12 may still pose challenges for installation in vehicles with limited space. Proper placement and mounting considerations are crucial for effective use. The Sennuopu HIFI-X12 Car DSP amplifier excels in delivering high-fidelity audio playback, advanced DSP processing capabilities, and versatile connectivity options for enhancing in-car entertainment. It appeals to audiophiles and enthusiasts seeking superior sound quality and customization features in their vehicle's audio system. However, potential buyers should be prepared for its advanced setup requirements, ensure compatibility with their vehicle, and consider the investment relative to the desired audio performance improvements. Overall, the HIFI-X12 offers substantial value for elevating the in-car listening experience with cutting-edge audio technologies and comprehensive multimedia playback options.